Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Store error 0x800B010FI, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the store cache. And how would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command wsreset and hit enter. This will reset the cache. The next solution is to repair the Microsoft Store. How would you repair the Microsoft Store? Search for Store in the Windows search bar and then click on the download pointing arrow associated with it. Select App Settings and then scroll down and then click on Repair. The next solution will be to reset store, and the difference between resetting store and resetting store cache is that in the previous solution you will be deleting the cache, and with this solution you will be resetting the settings for Windows Store. So click on reset. And finally, the solution will be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc // scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.